The world is changing, and so is healthcare. Our innovative healthcare services are always focused on people, and we're effective and fast. Drones are becoming increasingly important in our complex logistics.
Loading complete. Ready for takeoff.
Confirmed.
With drones, we save essential time when it comes to providing patients with vital medicines quickly. But flying isn't just a part of our logistics, it's also our passion. When a patient's life is in danger, every second counts. With drones, we can reach people faster and save lives.
Ready to unload.
Unloading complete.
Confirmed.
We deliver healthcare to where it's needed.